What's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the Gundam Heavyarms EW version from Supernova. So this is the one of the rarest kit nowadays, especially this company, the Supernova company, doesn't produce anymore Gundam Wing EW version series in their arsenal, since I just know, or if I'm not mistaken, they were being sued by Bandai, if I'm not mistaken again. So right now, if you can see a Supernova model kit in the market, it's very expensive, and if not expensive, you don't see it at all. So good thing there's this guy that sold me this Heavyarms at an affordable price of 2,500 pesos. But way back 2019 or 2020, this is just a cheap kit around 1,600 or 1,400 pesos here in the Philippines. So how this Heavyarms hold up into this era? So this year is 2026. Does it still hold up in our present times? For me, yes, because I don't actually play with this kit. I just display this kit in this kind of pose, and all I know is if you play Supernova kits, tendency is they will lose those integrity, those joint integrity, the grip of those knees, the elbow, especially this elbow, because this carry the whole weight of these Gatling guns. They will loosen up if you play with this more often. So since I don't play with this kit after I built it in 2024, let's check this kit out and let's see what how the joints still do or work. So let's first remove those parts that are attached, especially the Gatling guns and the booster. So I will remove this. Okay, and there we go. The appearance of this Heavyarms is really nice. It really captures the essence of the Heavyarms in the anime. Plus, they did some additional accents for this kit, especially here in the arms. There's this kind of silver platings here in the shoulder armor. There's silver details there, and here on the back of the legs. Although this is really fragile, I almost break this kit before this review, or this part here. So these are bonuses, and there on the feet, of course, we got this metallic gray accents here. There, the feet, the spike here, which is not present in the anime version. Also here in the side skirts and the front skirt, there are this metallic gray parts poking there. Okay, this is a very nice add-ons from Supernova. Kudos to that company. Okay, and the face, by the way, the face, I really like the appearance of the face here. They didn't add anything there, so it preserves the integrity of the Heavyarms face or head. Okay, so the head can rotate like this. Okay, there's some resistance that I can feel, so I don't like forcing things here because I might, and I'm afraid I might break those pegs here because I don't play with this kit. Okay, so the shoulders can rotate 360 degrees. Yes, there, but there's some hindrances there. Okay, for the elbow, can bend 90 degrees like this, and the double joint there can bend this almost 180 degrees. So I don't like to bend that much because I want to preserve the integrity of the elbow. It's a bit hard, by the way, it's a bit stiff. So there. And for the waist can rotate like this. It's connected in a ball joint. Then for the front skirt, can raise up to this far. Okay. So the arms can raise also to this far. Okay. Side skirts can raise like this. Back skirt can raise like that. So exposing the hips, and it's a bit awkward if you gonna look here. So the hip is really on the lowest plane there compared with the the positioning of the torso here. You can see it's very high, the hips is very low. Okay, anyway, the hips can kick forward up to this far there, and kick backward up to that far. So we all know that heavy arms, even though it's heavy, it can be acrobatic in the anime. There's a split here, can split up to this far, very nice Van Damme split. And the legs can somehow rotate like this, but it's a bit stiff. Then the knees here can bend double jointed. There is a very nice separation there. Okay, for the feet can wobble like this, can do some plantar extend and plantar flex like that. Okay, but the feet is a bit blocky, cannot bend like that. Good thing, because it will really support the weight of the heavy arms, just like that in land mode or plantar mode. Okay, so let's go with the hatches here. So there we go, we got this oops, it's a bit stiff now. Okay, it as you can see, can really loosen up there, but yeah, it's a bit stiff, and when I force things, they pop off. Yeah, anyway, it can open like that, and you expose this missile here. And for the missile at the back, can open like that there. And for the chest here, it can open like this. Just be careful with the hinges, because the hinges are somehow stiff. And here, can open here on the front skirt, revealing those missile hatches there. So it's a bit stiff now. Okay, there we go. And for the side skirt, we got this missile hatches there. Here on the legs, we got hatches here, hatches there, hatches here, exposing those missile on the legs. Okay, and for the Gatling guns, let's go with the Gatling guns here. It's connected by the backpack, and there we go, we got those hinges, but it's a bit hard to bend now because it's stiff. So I don't like forcing things up here. Anyway, maybe I might sand it later. Okay, so there, it's connected to the back, and got 4 Gatling guns. So this is how the Gatling guns look here. Okay, so the Gatling guns has this handle there, but I cannot open it. Maybe let's go with the scissor. Okay, it has this handle here, which is a bit tight. Oh no, I might break it. Anyway, I don't use the handle because it doesn't have any purpose. The hands or the guns can cling on this peg here, so if you just attach it even without the hand grip there, it is still usable like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so there we go. This kit is somehow, for me, since I don't play this, is somehow stiff now, and I'm very afraid I'm playing and moving things here because I might break. Actually, I break those already. So let's compare the size of this with that site here, Supernova also. So they're of the same height. Okay, and let's compare it with height of the Ultron Supernova. They are all the same height. Actually, cannot stand now. Wing kits on Supernova are of the exact height, same height. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this. See you next time. And by the way, you can turn this Ultron into Gundam Heavy Dragon or Heavy Shenlong or Heavy Ultron whatsoever. There, they are compatible. What the heck?